Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to import subscribers to your mailer list if you have a previous list. If you already have a list of subscribers, you'll need to import them into your Mailerlite account in order to send them newsletters. To import your subscribers to Mailerlite, navigate to the subscribers page. Click Add Subscribers. Select the method you want to use to import your subscribers. You can choose to import subscribers from a CSV or a text file by copy-pasting from Excel, manually one by one, or you can import subscribers directly from Mailerlite or MailChimp if you're using it. If you wish to add a single subscriber, you must manually submit the subscriber's data. Select the Add Single Subscriber tab. Fill out the email and name fields of the subscriber. To add more fields, click on the Show More Fields option. To add the subscriber to one or multiple groups, the type of names of the groups, and choose from the drop-down options in the Add Group section. Click Add Subscriber button to add your subscriber to the list. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.